Hello and welcome back to our daily Linux challenge. Today, we are doing a system configuration task, setting the default boot target on our application servers. The goal is to ensure that all app servers boot into the graphical user interface GUI by default. This means setting their default target to graphical target instead of the text-only multi-user mode. First, we SSH into our first target, App Server 1. Since we are changing a fundamental boot setting, we immediately switch to the root user using sudo -i. First, let's check what the current default is. We use the systemctl get default command. As expected, it shows multi-user target. This is the standard command line boot mode. We need to change this. To make the system boot directly into the GUI, we change the default target to graphical target. Confirm the change by running systemctl get default one last time. It now correctly shows graphical target. Now we exit the root session, and then exit the server entirely. Now we simply repeat these exact steps for all left server, App Server 2 and App Server 3 to ensure the task is fully complete. And that's it. By using the simple but powerful systemctl set default command, we successfully changed the default boot mode to the GUI on all application servers. If this guide helped you master system targets, please leave a like and subscribe for more daily Linux solutions. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.